Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to install and set up a new VPN app called Fancy Tunnel VPN. This app is designed to help improve your online privacy and give you a more secure browsing experience. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That way, you'll never miss any of our future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type Fancy Tunnel VPN. You'll see it appear among the results. Make sure to check the app name and icon, so you pick the right one. Step 2. Tap on the app and press install. Once the installation is complete, tap open to launch the app. Step 3. On the home screen of the app, you'll need to do some quick setup steps. First, tap on the 3 lines at the top corner. From the menu, select Update Configs. This helps the app refresh its resources and provide the best connection. Step 4. Next, choose your network option. Tap the drop-down menu and search for UDP. If your country supports UDP, select it. If not, choose another server from the available list that works best for your region. For this tutorial, we'll be using the all-country UDP option, which works across multiple regions. Step 5. If you ever run out of session time while using the VPN, simply tap the Add Time button inside the app to extend your usage. Step 6. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. As you can see, it connects quickly and gives you a secure browsing session. That's it. You've successfully set up and connected Fancy Tunnel VPN. Now you can enjoy a safer and more private online experience. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with friends. See you in the next video.